Good day from Kilstant White Ends. Today we are at Bandar Kinrara in Slngor to install our advanced termite system for this property that is undergoing renovation. So this house is being extended at the side and we will be installing the advanced termite system, and it's the best time to protect the property from termites using our advanced reticulation system. So let's go and have a look. So our team has now installed the advanced termite system. So this is where the system is all laid so that it will be easy for future maintenance. So this is the dispenser that will disperse the chemical, and we have laid the dispenser at every 3.5 to 4 feet apart.